Hi, I am Harsharan. In this class, you will learn about OF off and OFF off. Both are prepositions. OFF off can also be used as a verb, adverb, and adjective. Let's see how they are used in different situations. Use of OF off. It is used for possession, belonging, and origin. Examples are: the handle of the door is broken. It shows possession. He is a teacher of science. Hereof shows belonging. The people of India are known as Indians. This is an example of origin. It is used to express amount, numbers, and a particular unit. Examples: he bought 5 kilos of mangoes. Here of expresses amount. Hundreds of people gathered to see him. Here it denotes numbers. All of them participated in the event. All of them is a particular unit here. It is also used to say made or consist of. Examples: igloos are made of snow. The committee consists of 10 members. OF off is used to express age and date. Examples are: she is a girl of 15. He was born on the 16th of March. We use of to show a characteristic and also to show containing something. Examples: he is a man of discipline. Discipline is a characteristic. I would like to have a cup of coffee. Here of shows that cup contains coffee. Of is also used to show a reason and for comparing. Like, he died of cancer. Here of shows a reason. This is one of the best books I have read. Here of is used for comparing. Now, coming to the use of OFF off. It is used to indicate away from a place or position. Examples are: the thief ran off with my wallet. It indicates that the thief ran away from the place. Number 2, he fell off the bike after hitting a tree. His position is changed here. When we have to say to remove or separate, we use OFF off. For example, she cleaned the spilled tea off the table. Here tea is removed. He took off his shoes before entering the temple. Shoes are removed here. All the leaves fell off my guava tree. Here leaves are separated from the tree. Off is used for discount in price. Like, there's 50% off on all the garments in this shop. Means there is 50% discount in price. Number 2, I got 20% off on all my medicines. We also use off to express not at work or on holiday. Like, he will be off duty tomorrow. Means he will not be at work tomorrow. Number 2, she took off from her job to attend the wedding party. Means she was on holiday. To say to clear out or to eliminate, off is used. Like, regular exercise burns off fat quickly. He managed to pay off all his debts in time. Its next use is to indicate to leave. Like, the aeroplane took off on time. We reached the airport an hour before the plane took off. If we want to say to destroy and to be near to, we use off. Examples: this sanitizer kills off all the germs. Here kills off means destroys. Number 2, his shop is just off the main road. Means shop is near the main road. It is used to denote to cancel or delay an arranged event. Like, the cricket match was called off because of rain. Here, called off means cancelled. His promotion has been put off till December. Put off means delayed. OFF off is also used as opposite of on, that is, to show that something is not operating. Like, she turned off the tap. Switch off the fan and light before leaving the room. Look at this recap of the whole lesson. It will help you to revise all the points. That's all for this lesson. Try to use these two words in your daily English learning. We'll meet again. Keep watching and keep learning English. Bye.